I'm in Newcastle, Ontario, known as the Canadian apple capital. After blueberries, apples are the second most profitable fruit crop in the country. Kirk Camp is co-owner of Algoma Orchards, the largest producer and processor of apples in Canada. The company has over 1 million apple trees spread out over 1,000 acres. Every year, the fruit tree produces more than 72 million apples. It must be the best part of the season, being in your orchard. The trees are full of apples, beautiful, red, crisp, full of juice.
Yes, you can't beat this time of year. You work all season to go pick the apples, and it's a beautiful day, and the apples are lovely. They're great size, good flavor, so this is the best part of the year for me. We start out in the spring. We're preparing the trees, but when the fall comes, around Labor Day, we start picking apples. So we have the workers out to pick the apples. Yep. Then we pick up the crates, take them to the storage, we cool them down. Then we have to grade them for size, color, and defects. And then we package them up in bags and loose boxes and take them to the warehouses and distribute them across Canada.
That's it. How many varieties do we have in Canada about?
I think if you count every one, there's probably 300. Whoa. But we grow about 15.
Okay.
But Galas and Macintosh and Ambrosia and Red Delicious are the top 4 varieties, and they make up maybe 70% of what we sell.
Are we creating apples in Canada?
Yes, we're proud. Ambrosia originated from Canada. So did the famous Macintosh. Yeah. And we have some Spartan as well that was developed in a research station right here in Canada as well. We are the largest privately owned apple company in Canada. It's overwhelming for me. When I started with my father 40 years ago, we had 30 acres of orchard, a couple thousand trees, and now we have 1,100 acres of orchard and over 1 million trees.
Wow.
And when he used to come through the plant a few years ago, he'd just shake his head and he goes, man, I can't believe we've come this far.
Yeah.
And my dad laid the groundwork for it, and I think it's wonderful that my kids are going to carry on the tradition. We're proud to serve Canadians coast to coast with fresh, safe apples. It's a wonderful feeling to grow an apple that you might meet somebody in BC and says, I've eaten your apples before. And I said, I hope it was good. And they go, it sure was.
Well, thanks a lot and your family.
Thank you.
In 2016, we produced over 387,000 tons of crisp and delicious apples. That is about 100 apples per Canadian, and that's why we are the best.